In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Microsoft Excel file into Google Sheets using a few easy and reliable methods. Whether you prefer a manual process or want to use an automated option, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and explore both methods to see which one works best for you. First, let's take a look at manual conversion using Google Drive. The initial step involves uploading your Excel file directly to your Google Drive. You can do this by clicking on New and then selecting File Upload. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can simply drag your Excel file from your computer's file manager and drop it right into your drive. Once the file is successfully uploaded, you'll need to locate it on your drive. Once found, right-click on the file and choose Open With, followed by Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This action will open your file in a new tab, displaying it in the Google Sheets format. But to ensure you have it saved permanently in Google Sheets format while keeping your original Excel file intact, navigate to the File menu and select Save as Google Sheets. Voila! You've created a brand new document in Google Sheets format, preserving your original Excel file just the way it was. Moving on to our next method, which involves importing your Excel file directly from Google Sheets. Start by opening an existing Google Sheet, or creating a new one where you want your Excel data to reside. From there, go to the File menu and select Import. You'll then see an Upload tab where you can choose your Excel file. As it uploads, you're going to be presented with some options on how you want your file to be imported. You can create a brand new spreadsheet with the data from your Excel file, insert the data as a new sheet within the existing spreadsheet, or simply replace existing data in your current spreadsheet. Choose the option that aligns with your needs. After making your selection, click on Import Data to bring the file into your Google Sheets. And there you have it. Your Excel file has been successfully imported into Google Sheets. Whether you're opting for the manual conversion route through Google Drive or the direct import method using Google Sheets, each method offers a seamless way to transition your data from Excel to Google Sheets. It's all about choosing the method that feels most intuitive and time-efficient for you. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and happy converting.